Hey, what's up guys, it's Dom from Whole Printing Inc. In today's really quick video, we're going to be covering if you guys should buy your first ever DTF printer. My first ever DTF printer was this one right here. It's now been almost 2 years that we've been using this one every single day. And after that, I bought a second one and a third one that we're repairing right now. I absolutely fell in love with DTF printing, but this is not to be biased guys. I will say to you guys the honest truth about DTF printing in this video, and I won't sugarcoat nothing guys. So if I am looking down, it's because I'm looking at this piece of paper so we don't get too off track. How does direct-to-film printing work? First of all, let's say you have an image on your phone, right? You're gonna upload that image to Google Drive. I showed you guys how to do this really simply in this video right here. So after the image is in your actual RIP software, you're gonna be printing out that image. Once the image has printed out through the printer, you're gonna take your printed sheet and insert the powder. I showed you guys how to apply the powder right here. After the powder is applied, you're gonna insert your sheet inside of the oven and you're gonna bake it. I showed you guys how to bake the sheet right here. After the sheet is baked, aka cured, you're gonna take your cured sheet, place your garment on your heat press, and you're gonna press the garment and the sheet wherever you want to place the DTF transfer, right? You're gonna place it on the garment, you're gonna press it, and after it's pressed, you're gonna wait for the sheet to cool down a bit, and after that you're gonna cold peel it. I showed you guys how to properly peel off a sheet right here. I'm not going to show you guys exactly how to do it in this video because I have so many videos on my channel going in depth on how to actually direct-to-film print, and as well I made a full-on Skillshare course showing you guys directly from the crate, so when you receive your direct-to-film printer in its crate, how to actually set it up, install the software, print your first ever test sheet, and actually heat press it, all that type of stuff. Link down below in the course. I suggest that you guys take a look. It's free. You guys can even sign up for a free Skillshare month, I believe, without any fees whatsoever. So you guys can actually have access to this content completely free of charge. Biggest disclaimer, guys, before we even move on further, I want to say that the biggest thing with DTF printing you guys need to do every single day is your maintenance. I show you guys how to do your maintenance in this video right here. If you guys do your maintenance, you'll never have problems with your print head. If you're like lazy with it, you skip days and stuff like that, your print head is going to malfunction within a few days or weeks. You don't want that whatsoever, guys. You want to invest in a direct-to-film printer if you're ready to, make this a full-time commitment, because you can't just leave on vacation or leave for a few days and come back to your direct-to-film printer. The ink is going to be all clogged up and your prints are going to be trash. So you're not even going to be able to use a direct-to-film printer in most cases because the white ink is going to clog up because of the magnesium, I believe. So that's a no-go, guys. Big disclaimer, make sure to do your maintenance every single day. Like I said, you can take a look on my channel. I show you guys how to do your maintenance. The reason I'm looking down right now is there's a few things to consider before buying your direct-to-film printer. You want a good supplier of ink, because the ink and the powder and the transfers, which we're going to get into very soon, do play a big role in your actual final product and in your direct-to-film printing experience. So you want to make sure you guys buy a proper ink. This is my ink that I'm using right here. And you want to make sure that you buy proper white powder. This is the powder that I'm using right now. And you guys want to make sure that you buy proper sheets, So we do have everything for sale that I just mentioned in our website. So link down in the description down below for all of your supplies. And also when it comes to the actual DTF printer and the oven, Amazon affiliate links down below. When you guys click those links, it helps us without any additional cost to you guys. So let's say the printer is like 3,000 bucks. You're not paying a cent more even though you're using our link, but it's helping the channel grow since we do get a small commission of that sale. Supplies and equipment has been covered. Our supplies for DTF printing is all within our website down below. We do ship out the same day. So whether you buy ink, powder, or transfers, we do ship out all within the same day. After that, when it comes to the equipment, you guys can click on the Amazon affiliate links down below. Now, you might be wondering, Dom, should I buy this direct-to-film printer? Honestly, guys, I want to cover up a few things. This one, it's okay. This one, I really like. I started off with this one. I thought this was the Cadillac, right? I thought, oh my god, this printer's so cool. This printer prints 2 times quicker, but it's a bit more expensive than this one. If you're just starting out, honestly guys, I would start off with this one. It's really cheap when you're going to be paying around $3,000 Canadian, and maybe with the oven bundle, everything included, with a bunch of extra ink, with a bunch of transfers. You can even buy like maybe like a cutter to make your life a bit easier, your heat press, to be able actually to print those transfers, and a pretty decent like computer, anywhere from like 400 to 800 bucks. You're gonna have a nice laptop or a PC to be able to actually operate the DTF printing software. If not, guys, you can start with just the printer and a heat press and you can cure your sheets. I show you guys in my Skillshare class how to actually cure your sheet without the oven. If you do have the extra budget, this printer is pretty much like 2 times quicker than the old printer, and it prints more quality prints in my opinion. But guys, this is just something to take into consideration. Whether you start off with this one or this one, it doesn't really make a difference. Just make sure you have the proper budget, because if I could rewind and just like make one adjustment in my printing process, I would have more money before I actually start with this printer, because you know, I didn't necessarily have a lot of clients that needed direct-to-film prints, like full color prints. So the print head actually clogged up and it caused a lot of problems. And you know, I didn't have this type of information on YouTube to be able to actually follow along these videos if ever I were to have some problems with my direct-to-film printer. But now, guys, as the technology evolves, there's a lot of forums, there's a lot of videos online to help you guys navigate the direct-to-film printing world. So I think it's a no-brainer if you do have the budget. I think it's going to make your printing shop or clothing brand just stand out from the rest with full color prints. And they do pretty much last the test of time, guys. When it comes to direct-to-film printing, the main thing, guys, is you cannot be lazy. You need to do your maintenance every single day. So if you have a few printers, guys, you need to do the maintenance on this one, on the other one, every single day if you want to ensure the printer stays, you know, very vibrant and the print head doesn't clog. You need to do your maintenance. You need to clean your printer. You need to make sure they stay in pristine condition. Other thing you guys need to deploy, guys, is going to be patient. If you're patient, you're going to be able to have a nice experience with DTF. But at the beginning, it's a lot overwhelming. You might do a few mistakes. I know it seems pretty easy and straightforward. The sheet just goes through the printer, but there's a lot more that goes into it outside of that. You need to clean your print head. You need to do your maintenance outside. You need to like pull this ink tube. There's a lot of little things that if you guys don't know, you will feel completely lost and in the dark. This is why we created Whole Printing Inc., the YouTube channel. It's to shine some light on these discussion so we can better, like, you know, first of all, serve you guys, so we can give you guys better quality prints and you guys can understand how direct-to-film printing works. But most of all, guys, is so we can build a community up of people that are direct-to-film printers and are printers in general and are helping each other make the best educated choice and make sure that we're doing the right things. So guys, hopefully this video shines some light if direct-to-film is a good choice for you. I personally believe it's going to really change your shop or your clothing brand. You can do a lot of things, like this was done on a direct-to-film printer. If we would have done this with screen printing, it would have taken like so many screens, guys. It's incredible. All the like half tones, all the colors, all that type of stuff. So for us, direct-to-film is really a no-brainer. We really enjoy it. And when our clients want like single pieces, like just 1 or 2 t-shirts, we're able to do really nice prints. So for us, it was really a no-brainer. Like I said, at this point, we're just repeating ourselves. So that was pretty much it, guys. Do not hesitate if you have any questions about direct-to-film printing or printers. Let us know down in the comments down below and we'll make sure to reply to you guys ASAP. I strongly believe that a direct-to-film printer is going to completely change the game for you guys. I wish you guys good luck and happy printing. This was Dom from Whole Printing Inc. Make a print you'll never forget.